Example 2, use unit multipliers to convert 42 square yards to square inches. Now, in this case, you can see here square yards means that the unit of yards is squared. So what we do is we write 42 yards. Okay, and something some of you did last year, I can't remember specifically who, but it happens every year. People do this. They write 42 yards. All right, so be careful that 42 is happening only one time. The yards is being squared, so there's 2 units of yards, only one number 42 there. The fact that I'm going to use to go from yards to inches is what? There's 2 ways to go about doing this. 36 inches in yards is the best way to go about doing it. The other option is to go 3 feet in a yard and 12 inches in a foot, so you can go that route too. But the quicker route is just to go the fact that there is 36 inches in 1 yard. Again, if you have a fact about units and it goes directly from this unit to that unit, that's perfect. That's where we want to be every time when possible. We don't have that for everything. We don't have a decameter to an inch. There's no multiplier. We can make one, but it's a lot easier just to go step it down and everything. So, but again, if we have a direct route from one to the other, that's great. This is yards, this is inches. It's not square yards or square inches, so this multiplier is not going to sufficiently do this. But if I do a 1 yard on bottom and 36 inches on top, locating them where they are so there's a yard on top and a yard on bottom that cancel, that sufficiently gets rid of one of those units. And then I've got a second unit, so I have to do a second multiplier. Exactly the same multiplier each time, but that yard cancels that yard. And just like that, yard is gone, inch is there, which is square inches, which is what we want. The location of everything is in the numerator, so to get the answer we simply multiply everything out. In this case it's 42 times 36 times 36 equals, and it comes out to 54,432. And then the unit is inches squared. Okay, so yards squared is what this actually looks like, but again, this is a more meaningful structure for it, so we can see 2 units require 2 unit multipliers to fix. And then again, wherever the numbers end up, tell you whether to multiply or divide. All the ones on the bottom divided by 1 doesn't do anything, so that's it.